All right, so now what are we doing here? Converting a decimal to a proper fraction without simplifying. Advanced. Okay, so let's get going. You know, when it says do not try to simplify, I mean, I don't know, it just comes across to me like, you could get hurt. So, you don't want to be doing that, which seems really weird. Okay, something weird's happening here. Okay, so I had to restart it. It kind of kicked me out. I guess I was misbehaving or something. I don't really know. First of all, let's just see how to convert this. So, that's the tenths spot, and then the hundredths and the thousandths. So the last spot is thousands. So 0.035 is equal to 35 thousandths. Oh, look at that. Okay, we'll try one more. How about 0.9657? Well, that would be, 9,657. What? Let's see, it's tenths, hundreds, thousandths, 10,000ths. So 10,000ths. Okay. So that is, that's done. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing, but now we're going to simplify afterwards. Okay, so 0.56, like we just learned, that's going to be 56, see, tenths, hundredths, so hundreds. Or you can just say to yourself, how many decimal places are there? Well, there are 2 decimal places. Okay, so I need 2 zeros. Okay, that's pretty easy. At least I don't know, maybe. Okay, so now we got to simplify. So what divides into 56 and 100? Well, they're both even, so 2. So 2 divides in 28 times, and 2 divides in 50 times. Anything divided into both of them? Well, they're both even, so 2. 2 divides in 14 times and 25 times. And this guy only has factors of 2 and 7, and he has 5 and 5, so they got nothing in common. So 14/25, that's going to be our guy. So all we're doing on now is, okay, let's just simplify it once we turn it into a fraction. Okay, very cool. I'm feeling extra silly because I just watched an episode of Psych. Okay, so now we're going to take this number, write it as a mixed number, okay, and an improper fraction. So 7.47. All right, we just saw that that's, well, the 7 out front is to the left of the decimal point, so it's just there, but then this stuff to the right of the decimal point will be 47 hundredths. Okay, we already saw how to do that. 47 is prime, by the way, so there's not being simplified there. Okay, if we write that as an improper fraction, because this is the mixed number, as an improper fraction, we've seen how to do that in the past. 100 times 7 is 700, plus 47 is going to be 747 hundredths. Bam. And that's how we do it. All right, now we've kind of done something similar to this already, but so you could say this is 33 over 1,000, or you could say it's 33 thousandths. 33 thousandths. Oh, that sounds a lot like this, like writing it as a decimal. Okay, notice I had to put the extra 0 in there because if I didn't, it would have just been 3,300. So I had to slip in that extra 0 there, pushing out our last non-zero digit out to the 1,000th position. Okay. Let's see what else we got here real quick. Anything interesting here? Okay. This one's, it's too similar. Anything very different? Yes, that looks cool. Okay, so this one, we're going to want 2 digits to the left of the decimal point. Well, I can't go like that because now I got too many. I got 3 digits. I mean, to the right of the decimal point. I got 3 digits to the right of the decimal point. So I'm going to have to send this guy on back and get 4.79. And that would do it. Because after all, 100 divides into 479 4 times. with a remainder of 79 hundredths. And that's how we do things downtown.